In this video, we're going to guide you through how to safely wash a heated blanket. Since heated blankets contain electrical wiring, they require special care to avoid damage. Washing them properly not only keeps them clean and fresh but also ensures they remain safe to use. Let's explore the best methods to clean your heated blanket without affecting its functionality. Before you begin, gather the necessary supplies: a mild detergent, a large capacity washing machine, a soft brush, and a clean towel for drying. Always check the care instructions on the blanket's label for specific washing recommendations, as not all heated blankets are machine washable. Start by unplugging the blanket and detaching the control cord. This is crucial to avoid electrical damage during washing. Lay the blanket flat and inspect it for any visible stains. If you find any, pre-treat the stained areas with a small amount of mild detergent and gently scrub using a soft brush. If your heated blanket is machine washable, place it in the washing machine and select a gentle or delicate cycle with cold or lukewarm water. Add a small amount of mild detergent. Using too much soap can leave residue behind. Avoid bleach or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the blanket's fabric and wiring. If the care label suggests hand washing, fill a bathtub or large basin with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge the blanket and gently agitate the water with your hands to clean it. Avoid wringing or twisting the blanket, as this can damage the internal wiring. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap. After washing, it's important to dry the blanket carefully. For machine washable blankets, set your dryer to a low heat or air dry setting. Dry the blanket for a short period, no longer than 10 to 15 minutes, to remove excess moisture. Then finish air drying it by laying it flat on a clean towel or hanging it over a clothesline. Make sure the blanket is completely dry before using it again to avoid any electrical issues. If the blanket isn't suitable for the dryer, lay it flat on a clean surface to air dry. Avoid hanging the blanket by one end, as this could stretch and damage the wiring. Rotate the blanket occasionally to ensure even drying, and allow plenty of time for it to dry completely. Once the blanket is completely dry, reattach the control cord. Check for any damage or irregularities in the wiring before plugging it back in. If everything looks good, your heated blanket is ready for use again. If you're storing the blanket, fold it loosely to avoid damaging the wiring. By following these steps, you'll ensure your heated blanket stays in top condition for cozy nights ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful home care tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.